I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make omega-3 eggs. The sole method involves directly modifying a chicken's diet, as hens naturally deposit dietary fats into their eggs. To achieve omega-3 enrichment, specific feed ingredients must be incorporated. This process ensures the eggs contain beneficial fatty acids, directly reflecting what the chicken consumes. It's a natural and effective way to produce nutritionally enhanced eggs. To produce omega-3 eggs, a hen's diet must include specific ingredients. Flaxseed is a common and effective choice, providing alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA. Some producers also incorporate algae or fish oil to boost levels of DHA and EPA. A diet containing between 10% and 20% flaxseed is generally recommended to achieve significant omega-3 enrichment in the eggs. When chickens consume an omega-3 rich diet, the fatty acids are transferred directly into their eggs. This results in eggs with significantly higher levels of beneficial omega-3 fatty acids compared to conventional eggs. A single large omega-3 egg can typically provide 100 to 200 milligrams of ALA. These specially produced eggs also often boast a more favorable omega-6 to omega-3 ratio. Consuming omega-3 eggs offers several health advantages, as omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for supporting heart health and optimal brain function. These enriched eggs provide a convenient and delicious way to increase your dietary intake of these essential nutrients. When shopping, look for egg cartons specifically labeled as omega-3 enriched or indicating that the hens were fed a flaxseed-rich diet to ensure you're getting the desired benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.